In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wise account to your Amazon account seamlessly. This integration allows you to manage your payments across platforms with ease. So, let's walk through this process together, making sure you have all the information you need to link these accounts successfully. First, we're going to start by opening up the Amazon website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see a section titled Accounts, which is your gateway to managing and tweaking your account settings. Clicking on Accounts will lead you to a page filled with various options, but our focus today is on payments. Next up, find and click on Your Payments. This action will take you to a new page where you can see the payment methods you've already set up along with any recent and past transactions. It's a handy tool for keeping tabs on your financial activities within Amazon. To proceed, look for the option that says Add a Payment Method. By clicking it, you'll initiate the process of adding a new form of payment, which in this case is connecting your Wise account via its card details. You will now see a whole new section pop up titled Add Credit or Debit Card. Clicking on this option will lead you to a form that asks for specific information related to your card. Now it's time to grab the details you need from your Wise account. You'll need to input the card number first, ensuring you get every digit right. This is followed by the name as it appears on the card. It's crucial to enter it exactly as it is to avoid any hiccups. After entering your name, the next fields require the card's expiry date and the security code, which is usually a set of 3 digits found on the back of the card. Every piece of information needs to be entered carefully to make sure your card is accepted on Amazon without any issues. Once you've double-checked all the entered details for accuracy, it's time to finalize everything by clicking the button labeled Add Your Card. Upon doing so, your Wise account will now be successfully linked to your Amazon account. This connection allows you to use your Wise card for purchases, taking advantage of all the benefits it offers, like potentially lower transaction fees or better exchange rates. That's all there is to it. You've now linked your Wise account to Amazon and are ready to explore a wider range of payment options. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to revisit any steps if you need a refresher, and happy shopping.